Happy Tuesday. Who's shopping for a van? Here's the tip of the day if you're looking to buy a van, and this applies to any vehicle. Don't buy a vehicle from the angry seller. You've seen the angry ad before. This is not an angry ad. This is a cheerful, happy ad, and we'll talk about this ad later. But the angry ad, as a seller types out their sales ad, they're becoming more and more agitated, more and more condescending, and they're starting to capitalize sentences. Don't buy a vehicle from this seller. They're hoping that you're not as smart as they think they are. So when a seller's getting really angry, most likely they got junk. They're trying to unload their junk as soon as possible, and they're probably getting questioned on their vehicle, so they're becoming agitated. Don't buy from that seller. Now this is a happy ad, a cheerful ad, a hype ad. I don't think a hype ad necessarily sells a vehicle, but they are fun reads. And if I had $24,500 laying around, I just swam in money, I would buy this van. I've said it before on my channel. I think lifted Dodge vans look really cool. I wish there were more of them. So this one's a 4x4 conversion. Yeah, this is a happy, cheerful ad. I will pin this ad in the comment section. It's a good read. You may not buy this van, but it's a fun read. And this person is very enthusiastic about their van. So I'll pin this in the comment section for you guys to read. So real quick, let's take a quick look at it. A 1986. Nice layout. It's a nice van. Nice bathroom for a little van. Okay, now let's take a quick look at vans that do sell right away. So like I said, avoid the angry ad. They're getting angry because they're hiding something. The vans that I notice sell the quickest are simply vans that have all the right stuff, the right mileage, and of course the right price. I filmed this van. I wish I saved the ad, but see listed a day ago and it already said sold. So as soon as I saw this van, I said it's selling right away. So $10,000, 7.3 diesel with 260,000 miles, action van suspension lift kit, and I showed the van a little more in this video. But this is a nice overall van, and the ad wasn't condescending, the ad wasn't angry. They're just talking about their van. Lifted van for sale. That's it. Simple ad. You know, product sells itself. You guys have heard that term before. But yeah, I was just really impressed with this van because it had the nice interior, nice seats, conversion van windows. Yeah, I said it's selling right away, and it did. $10,000. It was just the right price. So sometimes a product just speaks for itself. It's been a great 2024 for my friends. A couple of you have picked up lift kits. A couple of you have picked up a van. I hope to see you guys at the next lifted van meet. People I've seen before and people to meet for the very first time. So I've been doing videos on what to look for when buying these 40 Econoline vans. That last van I showed was a Dodge. I'm not too familiar with Dodges, so I just wanted to share the ad. Maybe an expert could weigh in on that Dodge I shared. But this video right here, I want to share a comment with you guys. I got a comment from a guy in Ghana, and I made a video about it yesterday. Right there, my very first comment from Ghana. So I went ahead and looked up Econolines for sale in Ghana. 40 Econolines for sale in Ghana. I need to ask Larry from Action Van Suspension if he's ever shipped a lift kit to Ghana. I know he has sent lift kits to Japan and Germany around the world. It would be cool to see a lifted Econoline in Ghana. There's a bunch for sale. So when I got that comment, I wanted to look up Econolines for sale in Ghana. So getting that comment from someone in Ghana made me look up 40 Econolines for sale in Ghana, and then I started researching Ghana on YouTube, and I found this travel vlogger right here in Ghana. And you know what I did? This is how much of a van fan I am. Feel free to tell me I'm sick in the head, but I was watching this video and I'm just watching traffic right now. looking for an Econoline. That's what I'm doing. I'm like watching all the cars pass by. I might have to go through this video again and see if I spot an Econoline. There's a Transit right there, or a Sprinter. Lots of Sprinters. Sprinters, is that a 4Runner right there? Yeah, Sprinters everywhere. Where's the Econoline? That's a Corolla. That looks like a Yaris that just passed by. Yeah, I'm looking at the cars. Where's an Econoline at? Yeah, so I'm gonna watch this video again. Yeah, see, Sprinters everywhere. I think that's a Sprinter. It looks like a Sprinter. Sprinter style shape. But yeah, I don't know, let me keep going through this. I saw a Jeep Liberty. I think there's gonna be a Jeep Liberty that passes by. There's a lot of Toyotas. Let's see. Let me forward it. I should have paused it. Okay, now he's at the market. But yeah, I saw a Jeep Liberty. I think it was back here. Something familiar. I know Toyota. I see a lot of Hiluxes. I know that's what the Tacoma's called around the world, a Hilux. But yeah, pretty cool, man. So yeah, I watched like 23 minutes of this video looking for an Econoline. Hopefully I was able, to share with you guys, but I will watch Ghana videos until I see an Econoline. Maybe one day I'll see a lifted Econoline with some sick add-ons in Ghana. All right, everyone, have a great day.